Imagine your next project isn't just delayed, it's completely derailed because of a chat gone wrong with your developers. One misalignment can waste months and burn through $300 without anyone even realizing it. Let's dig into why these communication breakdowns happen and how to spot them before it's too late. A lot of non-technical founders think their developers can read their minds. Spoiler alert, they can't. When communication breaks down, you end up wasting time and money. Take a well-known B2B startup, for example, that missed a key project deadline because the founder couldn't let go. They micromanaged every line of code, which crushed creativity. The result? About $150K down the drain in development costs because of delays. This is a trap I see over and over again at gotyourtech.ai. Recognizing these collaboration pitfalls can make or break your project. Another case is a SaaS company that spent $200 in wasted development hours due to unclear requirements. They assumed their developers knew the market, but failed to provide detailed user stories. A renowned startup, for instance, lost an additional $50K in potential revenue because their product didn't meet user expectations. It's crucial to communicate the big picture and the specifics. The lack of clear objectives led to a product that missed the mark entirely, which is a costly mistake. In fact, studies show that poor communication in software projects can increase costs by up to 30%. This is not just theory, it's a reality many startups face. Companies like Airbnb and Stripe have faced similar issues, underscoring the need for clarity in developer collaboration. Get your project vision straight before you start throwing things at developers. Figma nailed their early success by keeping it simple. They got everyone on the same page about what their design tool was supposed to be. Then trust your developers to make the calls on the tech side. When Shopify gave their engineers the freedom to steer, it paid off big time with fresh ideas and real creativity. The result? Their revenue skyrocketed to over $2.3 billion in just a few years. And don't skip the regular check-ins. Plaid learned the hard way that keeping the lines open meant they could fix issues before they snowballed, saving them from a disaster that could have hurt their banking relationships. They avoided a potential loss of $1 million due to a miscommunication about API changes. A notable tech firm, Notion, implemented weekly stand-ups that led to a 30% increase in team productivity, proving that consistent communication is key. The founders we work with find these moves can really change the game. For instance, a recent client implemented bi-weekly syncs with their developers and saw a 40% increase in project efficiency. This level of engagement fosters trust and ensures everyone is aligned. Remember, clear communication is not just about avoiding problems, it's about seizing opportunities. Now's the time to get your act together on managing developers. If you want to avoid the kind of blunders that can sink your startup, go to gotyourtech.ai. You'll find guidance that's actually useful for non-technical founders. Effective communication with your tech team isn't just a nice to have, it's make or break. Don't sit on your hands, act now. Don't sit on your hands, act now.